Hello my family, welcome to Bong Paradise. I am Gouri and today I am going to share 5 different uses of lipsticks. Today I am going to share 5 hacks which you can create by using only lipsticks. Yes, and also with that I am going to use only 3 shades of lipsticks which we all girls have. Number 1, a regular red color lipstick. We all must have a red lipsticks in our vanity. Then I am going to use a pink lipsticks. It's a liquid matte lipsticks. You can use a creamy one also. Then I am going to use a deep pinkish kind of lipsticks and a lip liner. कभी कभी आपके पास ऐसा हो जाता है कि कुछ लिपस्टिक्स कलर्स है, कुछ लिपस्टिक का शेड है जो आपको पसंद नहीं है, या फिर आपके पास आपको कहीं काम से सडनली कहीं जाना होता है लेकिन आपके पास मेकअप के नाम पर सिर्फ लिपस्टिक बचा रहता है. तो आप कैसे उस लिपस्टिक्स को भी मल्टीपर्पसली यूज कर एक लुक क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, वो आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ. सो लेट्स गो. Number 1, you can use a lipsticks as a color corrector. Yes, we all have some pigmentation, some discoloration on our face, some acne spot and many things which you can cover up by a red lipsticks. Number 2, you can use a pink lipsticks as a blush. Number 3, you can use a lipsticks as a liner. If you are an experiment lover and you want that hatke look, then you can use a red or any color lipsticks as a liner in spite of that black regular liner and pop out your look. Number 4, you can use a lipstick as a eyeshadow. Yes, you can use a pink, a red or any lipsticks as a eyeshadow. Like that. use the lip liner. You can use a dark brown shade lipsticks as a eyebrow pencil. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, then give this video this. If you have any question relating this video or anything, put that down in the comment section below. And if you think that this video is helpful, then please share this video with your family, friends and relatives. You can see my videos on every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesday as tutorials day and Friday as facts day. And you can also follow me on my social media account, link in the description box below. And please subscribe my channel Bong Paradise and hit the bell icon, then you will be notified whenever I am on YouTube. Love you all. Ta-da!